Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with QuickBooks Payments. Review my usage experience. QuickBooks Payments. Review my usage experience offers a way to process payments directly within the QuickBooks accounting software. Its main purpose is to streamline payment acceptance for small businesses and freelancers who use QuickBooks for their accounting. Key features likely include credit card processing, ACH transfers, and potentially invoicing integration. Their website provides details on pricing and specific features. A key benefit is the seamless integration with QuickBooks, eliminating the need to manually enter payment information. It boasts ease of use, aiming to simplify payment processing for users already familiar with the QuickBooks interface. Pricing transparency is emphasized, although specific details would need to be checked on their website. Availability is likely tied to QuickBooks' own availability. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using QuickBooks Payments. Review my usage experience. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The setup process took less than 15 minutes, mostly involving linking my bank account and confirming my business information. The interface is intuitive, largely because it's integrated directly into the familiar QuickBooks environment. I found it easy to send invoices with payment options included, and the payment processing itself was quick and reliable. I especially liked how the payments were automatically recorded in my QuickBooks account, saving me a significant amount of time on manual data entry. I had a quick question about reconciling a payment, and their support responded within a day via email, providing a clear and helpful solution. One minor drawback was the slightly higher transaction fees compared to some standalone payment processors, but the integration benefits outweigh this for me. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated reconciliation process. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with QuickBooks Payments. It seamlessly integrates into my workflow and significantly simplifies my payment processing. That's my overview of QuickBooks Payments. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.